Thanks for joining us tonight. We are tracking a line of strong and severe thunderstorms moving into West Virginia right now. Severe thunderstorms with gusty winds, 60 miles an hour or greater, are making their way through Kanawha County, and that will definitely lead to some damage across that region as these storms make their way through to the east, and they're moving pretty fast. There's currently severe thunderstorm warnings in effect for several parts of our viewing area. Portions of Kanawha County here in Charleston, we are under a severe thunderstorm warning right now until 8:30 Eastern as these storms continue to race eastward. Also for portions of Lincoln County and Wayne County, where we had some damage reports of trees down as well, not too far away from the border in Kentucky. And another area of severe thunderstorms down in the coal fields, parts of Mingo County and also Boone County are under a severe thunderstorm warning at this point in time as well. And these storms are rushing to the east at a very considerable pace. And just looking ahead here across that region, our West Virginia 501 camera in Southridge, it's pretty soggy out there right now with significant rainfall and these gusty winds, which are just going to continue to make their way through. Also here in Charleston, the storms are making their way in right now, and I think it's safe to say that you should not be outside at this point in time if you're in Charleston, because these storms are packing a significant amount of lightning with them as they progress eastward, and we don't see any signs of weakening. We still have plenty of energy with these in for the next half hour or so as they move through. And looking here at the highway, not too far away from Laidley Field and the stadium, it is definitely a soggy evening, and these storms are continuing to rush their way eastward at 35 to 40 miles an hour. So let's take a look at our radar here, and you can see the radar beam is very close to us here in Charleston, so we are still experiencing very severe and strong storms at this point in time.
Yeah, Dante, Chief Meteorologist Doug Harlow here with you. We're tracking this line of storms coming out of Kentucky now, moving right through Charleston. And of course, big concern. Regatta, big concert there, Kool and the Gang for tonight. I know they started the concert a little earlier. Kool and the Gang took the stage at 7:30 instead of 8 o'clock. A lot of folks are downtown right now, and we've got a severe thunderstorm warning with this line that's coming on through, and a lot of lightning with this storm as well as it pushes through. These are some of the recent lightning strikes now crossing over. Probably the greatest concentration of lightning is just now getting into western parts of Kanawha County. So we'll actually see more lightning strikes here in the city of Charleston coming up in the next 10 to 15 minutes. And we've been getting some very strong wind signatures as well. You see this bright green here? This is the radar showing the strong wind gusts. Now, it's just been going over the radar, so that's why it disappeared a little bit. But some of these bright white colors through Lincoln County, that was 60 mile an hour wind gust estimates. Now crossing into Charleston, basically right through Southridge and getting into downtown Charleston. You could see this bright pink color showing up here. Those are estimates of wind, at least 50 to 60 miles an hour. So maybe not all of that can make its way to the surface, but it certainly has the potential to. And so that's the concern, and that's what's prompted here the severe thunderstorm warning in Charleston, at least until 8:30.